Hi guys, my name is Hitisha and this is my first video on YouTube. I will be showing you the simple envelope which is very easy to make, and materials which are needed for this are easily available in the market. So let's start. I'll tell you the materials: fevicol, paper, scale, pencil, scissor and folding tool. Okay, so start. Size of the paper is 20 centimeter by 18 centimeter. Okay, now on 20 centimeter we will mark 1 centimeter over here, 1 centimeter over here. Same thing we will do on opposite side. 1 centimeter over here, 1 centimeter over here. On 18 centimeter we will mark 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Same thing over here, 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and then 4 centimeter. Okay, now we will fold all this stuff. This is a folding tool. With folding tool we will just fold all this markings. Okay, after folding this we will, after 4 centimeter we will mark half centimeter. Same thing over here, after 4 centimeter we will mark half centimeter over here. Okay, and we will cut that thing, 4 plus half centimeter. Now we'll cut this part, that is 6 centimeter. So paper should look like this. Okay. We'll just fold it properly so we can stick that thing. Now we will stick this part. So we'll just stick this thing properly. Okay, now we will just trim the extra part. Just see that all the parts are sticked properly. Okay, so guys, our envelope is ready. See.